What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install the new NVIDIA app on your PC. Head over to nvidia.com/software/NVIDIA app or click on the link in the description to get to this page. From here, you'll see the option to download the beta version of the newly released NVIDIA app for your PC. The download should only take a couple of seconds to complete. Your browser can help you locate your downloaded files and then double-click the installer file to proceed with the installation. If you have the GeForce Experience app installed on your system, it will ask you if you want to upgrade to the new NVIDIA app. Click Upgrade. You can then agree to the license agreement and proceed with the installation. After a minute, the app will open up. You'll be asked to select a preferred driver. Choose between the game-ready driver, optimized for gaming, or the NVIDIA Studio driver, which is tailored to creators. You are not required to log in with an account to change the NVIDIA app settings to your liking. As you can see, the overview is improved on this application compared to the GeForce Experience application. You can preview your game library and access graphics-related settings for each game and start them from here. Download and install the latest GPU driver from the driver section and apply the best settings, such as the new in-game NVIDIA app overlay. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.